Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. You see it? We want enough respect to all viewers and subscribers. You see it? And viewers, if you like the content, man, just press the button, man, and make it help with the thing. You know, don't know. Them things are not too popular and everybody love them, you know. So if you find yourself attracted to them sort of thing, if you find yourself drawn in to them type of content here, just subscribe and help with the thing, because I know everybody will do it. And you can't make people do it for you, you see. Yeah. Big up yourself, Miss Lisa Smith. Don't know the nice, the beautiful Miss Lisa Smith. Big up yourself, Miss Serena Atkins. Most intelligent and ambitious. You see, it sounds like a very sophisticatedly learned woman. Yeah, big up yourself, Miss Laurel. Yeah, Laurel. Yeah, man. They are with me. Them three ladies, they always there with me. Enough other ladies too. You see, but I'm not good for name. And that's my thing. I'm not good with name. But you don't know, say, yeah, because I always try at least acknowledge the item input to the best of my ability as soon as I can. You know, see it? Yes, I. You know, see it? So, some people will think I do this for the money where you can provide. I know all them things that work, man. You know, see it? For you can see from I study. YouTube take I to school and teach I certain things, literally. And I read not the policies them, but the creators them strategy and things like that. You know, see it? So we know for do them things. We know thumbnail and we know news, we know trending, we know of a trend and things like that. That's not the game, the aim. So, and a trend in the money there. You know, see, when you jump on certain things and certain arguments and them things there. And that's the money there. You know, see it. However, I know that. And I say, I'm not hungry, I'm not broke, I'm well off and all them things. No, but look what time of day it is. So when I don't think so, well, then I bad mind a DJ or an individual when I attack certain way. No, Jack. If I the bad mind the individual, I must see them position with them have why I bad mind the individual. And like me I tell you, say there is way how me could have even suck up to certain individual and profit more than how I deal with it. You see, so it's kind of a silly estimation of I intent, silly characterization of this platform. You see it, so we know if we do them thing there. You see it. Some money for come, it will come and we give thanks. Same way, don't feel no way. But again, the benefits is some little youth like all. When my brethren charge G Brown goes to book and validate the thing. You see, when little youth like Mark Tafari, you see, and some other little youth chip in and say, oh gee, me love that one there. Yeah. At that a reward. No money when a boy can give me can't work and an influence and no. And that's the thing I work. Man don't deal with them things. You see me a big one, you know. I've made the news many times over when me a youth. You see, them things and them things no. You see. Anyway, who want to reach to the brethren, three brethren them now in a one. Cause of the same thing affect the three of them. You see, we can do the one story from my perspective. BUJU BANTON, CAPLETON, and SIZZLA. You can use the three of them story. And when you talk about one, if you don't call them name, anybody would have think say are the other you talk about it. You see. Can look on it now and put it to perspective. See? I can say DJ, Rasta DJ. You see the work where you did in the 90s, let me tell you, I take off my hat to you. See? You not, to me, you see when me see them 3 first album there, where you let off, where they say Rasta and start push lyrics, you, I tell myself, say, you not have to do no more album. Me tell myself, say, you not have to sing no more tune. You do more than your share of the burden. Me tell people that, and still say it today too. See, and I will repeat it many times over. Youth, you do more than your share of the burden. You do some stalwart long step where some man still there. No disrespect to the man, them still there creep. You see, but when you jump into the business, man, and start dealing with culture, reality, and Rastafari, remember me tell you, you draw like a train, a youth behind you. Be youth start come behind you individually. You see it, but that tell you like I know, and man I mean like a funny business and man say youth start come behind you. I mean like say well then you start follow the trend. You would start listen to it there, so you would start lean on every word and I beg for the next album release. You would study your tune them. And I just as them can sing them word for word. Me and Bridget could have sing just like you. Word for word. I want to the thing about that, I recorded lyrics them the way you record, youth and put pan wax. You see, and we as youth used to go listen to that man there sing them over like we get a joy, like we make it a occasion time after time as youth. If we go sit down and listen to them man there, I sing like yo, and I sing back your tune them. You see it? So we know as big grown man, we know the effects of the work and we appreciate love more than anything. Rasta, the effects and the effort where the item put out. You see it? The eye work wonders. But not telling a lie. You see it? I'm one the eye know say, not perfect. You see it? One alone perfect. And the eyes, you see it? And the eyes know that. You see it? So the eye them liable to make certain filtered. You see, but I feel no way, man. Get on with the job, man. And a boy can't really, you see, go on like so well then. The glass not enough for them house. You see. Yes, Rasta. Someone, the man knows so well then. Maintain the focus, man, I know say life, Rasta life is not about the credits or the profits. Monetary profits and gains were out there. It's not about them things. You see, I know say some we can sit down and observe and know say we put out our best sometime and we see some come and go around the thing and with some little simpler effort and them thing there. Me I say and I go on with them. Say it can be daunting more time and it can make you feel like deflated in a lot of sense, but watch out, you have to stay focused, stay grounded to the fact and know say your work is not really acceptable by the norm. You see, your work, you know in yourself. I just so why you know why you even do them same the type of works them way you do. See, seeing because you know it's not popular. You didn't know that, but you choose to do it anyway. You see, enough respect, I man love and appreciate love that. See, yeah. You see, but you have to know so them things that come with the regular rewards, like where the normal man would have get Rasta. See it. So I want the just know say I saw them things that go. At least the eye feed the eye belly. See the accolades, the Grammy them and them things they never make phone or Rasta. See it once you have a hand on a locks, you have to bear in mind say hey, this is no way the identity of righteousness. Enough man out there have it and I know what it means. See it, but basically it's like a badge. It's like a uniform where Babylon knows say, yo, I'm not in a one, you can't select me and choose me. Anointed and appointed long time. See it for greater purpose. See it. And the significance of the locks that through a Rasta man. You know, see, whole heap of man out there with them locks and fancy locks and things like that. And you don't know. You see, them know them a different thing. They carry judgment upon them than they even know. You know, see. So the item know where the item take on upon themselves. And the item take it on with great authority and great strength as well. And deal with it. Nice. You notice me start branch it out now and start say item. Because me know I know me no mention the name yet, you know. And I one individual, I start out to talk about original. Not originally, 3 individuals still, but in the meantime, I talk about it like it's a one person because it's the one character match the 3 person, SIZZLA, BUJU BANTON, and CAPLETON. You know, see, the argument they could have got towards any one of them because of the 3 of them tried that right through the 90s. And everything we say could have matched to each and every one of them. You know, see. So right now, I don't want the man them, see the man them start link up with some man like, I think a Switch Beat or one of them guys they call out SIZZLA one at the time and came to America and sign him up and things like that. And straight away them go to book and Jaffe, the youth when name Cargo and push up Cargo and Cargo out there go on with them things and I got step claim saying step to Dada. And the media take it and run with it and go on like them want to ridicule Dada and push up the circle youth here will just come. And they have nothing much to say. Him can say a lot, but he don't know nothing to say. Him just have a voice. You know, see, whenever them push up this youth and promote him and size him up with Dada and things like that, and I notice that Dada start, so Dada make it, Dada, you know, every king wants to him going and wait. But sometimes, certain Dada, certain adversary there with necessary, man. Sometimes silence is fitting. You know, see, silence is fitting and silence do more damage more than all when you mention. You know, see, in general, I don't want you to do me that now. It's nice if you make mention to I criticize her or cuss her, make her get somebody. Yeah. Bring some over here so that come cuss. You know, see, but I bet the thing grow. Yes, SIZZLA a cuss Warieka. The thing gonna grow. I'm going to get a youth that get for say a year. But you don't know, I do about that. You don't know, we have to keep it smooth and civil and that area. You know, so I say, my brother. But, yeah, man, silence more time is fitting for some character, man, who come in the game and I go and like them one. You know, see, look at promotion. But I know the eye stay still, the eye of David. You know, see it. Yes, David. Yeah, man, David moved to the wicked and mean, man. But, you know, see, yes, I. And the thing is, I feel like it's a plan, it was a trap, and everything was psychologically set. You know, see, it was a tactical move in order to get the eye meds on a level. Because I saw them have attack you, you know, psychologically. You know, see, so you employ certain tactics so they even aware or familiar with. You know, see. And the way the guy them do it to them, go to do it now. Them can do it now where even Cargo performing services to you know, remarkably. And don't even know say them service them and do because you have some man behind where influencing that they say, yo, this are the way for boss are the best way. While a man they have a agenda where him get paid. Where them sit down and plan over a table or for work. You see, or for deflect the music and things like that, which is that I observe and I see go on. And I only see recently, because I'm take Cargo America for years until him get started out. You see it, and when him get started out now, them go to book and give him reward. You see it. Give him some money and him come back with the game and with a vice again. You see, no disrespect to Cargo, I don't like that, because like me I say, this is the system where we're up against as youth. We have man I work for them and I know say them there work. I tell you that. You know see it. You have man where know and aware too. You know see it. So I feel like with my general SIZZLA. I saw sometimes them distraction they come your way. You know see it. I feel like that. Cause when you sing pump up or pump pump, you see the energy in the lyrics of them tune there and them thing there. Nowhere compared to a vast, cavernous vastness between the distance of the abilities or the efforts in about penmanship. You know see, when you write praise Ija, the person who write come like you write praise Ija. When when you hear pump up or pump man, them like a song there. You know, see, no disrespect, me I tell you, them lyrics there, them could have been good lyrics, but like me I said, them not foodie enough. You know, see, them not have enough content and context like the other rest of the album them. You know, see, it's all them energy they never even, them energy that come off from a hasty, from a rush, ego type place. So yeah, defend something personal. You see what I say? While you did on a bigger move. You still up on a move there, you know, and I like so well that you never finalize or handle a business. They set on a path and it do what you need for the yeah. So you have some spare time for you and can do what you want and play around and things like that. You see, but yeah, me just I say the contents was two different work. You see, I say a certain man come in your life Rasta, and I never like the energy. I was weary, and I did officially like, no, so well then come like a different progress out for go on, you know, with culture music, you know, see, and the standard with the higher portray, you know, see. But then again, I never like, you know, I think I never have a Swiss beat or one of them, man, you know, see. You know, see. But so, the greatest energy come from your legacy in general, and your legacy tune, them are them big tune that we sing before. Everybody love them. Them tune, they not gonna away, them can't go away, and can't, nothing can to them three first album, the Praise Ye Jah, Thank You Mama for the now, you know what I say? CAPLETON are the same thing with you to me general, same thing again, but I can't remember if you being signed with anybody, which is the contrast again where I observe, and even if you was signed with anybody at the time, the energy where you pull, everybody get for them share piece of pound of flesh and go and eat food and still eat food and has given you a lot of time for your own yourself where you can go to book and you see. Oh, I know so over the period you show back your energy again, because one at a time being the man they jump up and I go on them thing and them time they hear thing it calm down a bit. You see it, I see you jump out there and energize the thing madly again. You see it. You see it. I love the energy where you come with nothing you teach me and things like that, but whole heap of thing where you say fly over a whole heap of people head due to the sophistication of your narrative, how you portray it and how you put it to people, you see it. But to a degree, come like, I never really get up people I try to communicate too. You see, because enough get up people not pick up or understand, are not familiar with the experience and the terms where I use, you see. So yeah, they're in a document, but it high up. It's like so well them have got them still have grade 1, 2, 3, and 4 to do before them reach up a grade 5 and I listen to you for understand and move with the energy away you. Where you know see you understand what I say? Not that people are dead and one way for people to recognize and grasp the fullness. But at the time, you see, communication and the demographic where you communicate with, you see, which was more of a it's not like the words and where you use or anything is not understandable, you know, but the spirit where you're talking, so I mean, don't get it twisted. The spirit where you're talking is like so well, and it plug in so much that people can't touch it. The people where we need for grasp it, for get some of the energies like so well, and nuclear and electric them are run off and them just run off a normal diesel electricity. Delco them are run off and you have nuclear you go drop. You see it. So that's a little thing that you see more time the demographic where I communicate with, we have to be aware of them. And the demographic where we want to communicate with, we have to be aware of them and you see it. Yeah, approach it diplomatically under them tactics there. BUJU Banton, careful of your new company them where you keep you, because you suffer a lot, you know, and you see, you know what cause you for suffer. Me and you know what cause you for suffer. You see, ambition and probably greed too, to be fair, you see. So that I have to be careful of the new company them. And if you know what you see, then you see the thing where you want, if I greed, yeah, greed attack you somewhere along the way. Enough time, you see. And when you do your work and you're hard working you and you're hustle the same, and everybody know that, so they might expect you for hustle. You see. But really and truly, in general, you have to be careful of that nature there. have to tame that and tamper that, because I don't really see it differ much when you come out. You know? You're on the same, like the same push you up, and you don't see it, because the 2 times now, I don't know what DJ Khaled a gear for record with him. But something wrong. Because you have your energy and your day thing when you talk a fire. You know, see, so I don't know what wrong. I don't hear them tune them. I don't feel the energy as soon as him get the tune them off of the press. It's like a ice him put on the volcano and just take time. Quiet it down. You know, see it, out it. And everybody with a certain level of superior influence these days we can connect with the masses. The way we would love them for connect. Even though them not connect with the extent of the energy where them can connect and communicate with, like BUJU BANTON and Coffee. We notice well, in fact, I just time and balance, you know, see, and emotions and things like that. But again, when certain guy attack, you know what I say, and assault them effort and them energy there, them potential there, you know, see, it is what it is, like an assault where you calm and temper them and start dictate to them what they think is best, you know, see, while them have nefarious intent at heart. Yeah, it might appear like they are losing each time they attempt, but that's the whole intent of the game. You see, so you feel obligated to them and keep doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result. Rasta, when it's like, so well, then you discredit your own ability, you're selling power, you're pulling power and all of them things there, and you give to some guy where they're even relevant or big like you. I don't like how Khaled in your business so much. Khaled a Muslim Rasta and them people are really religious fanatic. Them fight with all of them might, just like how democracy, communism and all of them things, they fight down anything that is a threat, where them consider or perceived to be a threat, Rasta. Me not really appreciate Khaled's move or development in your life, in your thing like that. It's uncomfortable, you know, see, in regards to reggae music and reggae music mean to I and I. No disrespect. And it's be a fake, it's just a business selling point. You know, like a short man that way now for the first mommy. Like a short man will go with the man and his wife figure the two, the mommy too. And him just a great Khaled remind me of that guy there, man. Where the little black insect them, they go underneath him skin and one come up in and fire and them really. Like a shot man, they run up and down fast and him lived, yeah. Khaled remind me of that guy the rasta, him just look like him out for some form of personal, not just personal gain, but like him have, nah, me not feel him rasta. I just my opinion that. You see it, I mean feel like enough man feel the same, but I just so greed and personal ego. And the music is lost, the intent of the music is lost. So it's all about a profit these days. That's why some boy now get runway and put in them space. Yeah, you can hustle, yes, but don't deal with it like you run the hustling or you make the hustling happen. The hustling make you happen. I mean, it has created you. That's open public knowledge. It has created Khaled and make Khaled who he is. So you're not supposed to come and dictate how it should go moving forward. No, line up, man, and follow what go on. You see, continue upon the path that it was set out. And make it the success that it is today. Yes, it could have been a lot better, but it is what it is. You see it, so accept it and continue being leaders that are trendsetters and remain focused, because again, music is not just a competition, it's a mission. You see it, and some man deal, so enough man deal with it now, and you can see it in them face, them know so what them do is wrong, because them not step with the authority and the confidence where them usually are supposed to step with as musicians or as reggae musicians. You see, reggae musicians usually step with a militancy, like basically like a militaristic militancy intent, aim and approach. You see it. And the item I move more you know, I say more, you know, aristocratically type of, you know, I say like the item I try is a corporate, you know, which is not much wrong with that, but to come up, when you observe the the means, you can't accept the ends. You see, in that case here, the ends don't justify the means. You see, the means is a militant deliverance where it serves a purpose where it edify, motivate, and develop people personal it is what it is. It is poor people politics, Rasta. You see, I'm not supposed to be motivated or manipulated by the need for the luxury where it potentially can provide or produce. Because up to this point, reggae artists not seen a great luxury, especially the local one, them from them craft. The old people them say a bit is Bob Marley pick them. You see, and it look like the only reason why them can't say a bit or appear to say a bit because them have to marry to some white girls. And I live like rapper. You see it, so it enables them to move another scope because somebody now focus on energy and a tough fight to them too tough. You see it? So them things that we are observing general. You know, push the whole heap of blame because man of them personal ambition and personal development and things like that. But as ghetto youth where we are come from, rest of the man them far surpass certain level of expectations where even when parents did have food as a youth in terms of achievement and personal development and growth. You see. So, might seem like I might be asking for much or too much, but it can't hurt for ask, At least on a thief I try to thief it from you. You see. You see, and I know so no lose nothing and no do nothing, but just I say, foundation is what made it great. You see, and if it's something is not broken, why fix it? You see, I mean a guy come with no mirrors and not glistening ties and trinkets, man, come sway the process and things like that. And that's what I personally think has been happening for years. You see, why it seems like the ball has been dropped and youth just start do what they might do and continue on the path where they might continue because, again, there is no role model in society that to emulate or, you know what I say? You see, and Bold did a great job. No disrespect. You see it, but the ball was dropped along the way where the man them forgot that aspect of community development. You see, which was a necessary practice of Rastafari, of the culture, of you see, and of the music craft, community development and things like that, the social fabric of the ghetto. That's how it planned from and that's how it used to we communicate on a wide level. You see it, so and that's what made it a success. As successful as it is. Yeah, it is what it is. But greed could be the catalyst to a lot of man downfall, to a lot of talents downfall. You see it. And something I want to say or cast no aspersion, say the man them greedy or is being motivated by greed or anything like that. I not say that. But be careful of these connotations because again, it don't make no sense defend yourself against something. Having to defend yourself against something that you is not a part of. You see? And if you are do something or you are give people reason for things so well then, you see it? Again, you are give people for things so well. You are give people reason for things so well then you get straight along the way. You see it, don't feel no way. Constructive criticism, a culture and reality. Foundation get to know on the day and reach to a point where you're more successful than even one did expect at one time. You see it. So stay grounded and focus, man. Need help out here Rasta. We know the power we want to pull and we know we have seen, You see it. So, whenever we ask for some more help, see, because again, on the better off now than then when they did push them energy and I create them influence there and I balance the youth them head in a society. See, when they did more powerful now. Then more powerful now than them time. See, but when they did have more energy, truth, and intent, honest, genuine intent them time than now. See. And yes, every man can say I'm on a robot. I have time will get deflated and tired and things like that. We accept and agree that. But still that sing tune. And the tune them wanna sing, them not hot or good like the culture them. So if I have money you not look now for food no say, then I better not continue with the tune them where better. I do me not say because I say the focus, the energy is like the energy not too deep as it was. And I like say, deviate too much from the culture, no disrespect, no man, no other man go on like say, well, then SIZZLA you me attacking a rasta, no it's don't go on like say, this man, this program. See it? Yeah, because like me say, you do your work, my brother, but it's still a work, so it's just a bit of, what I say, might as well just, better if you did that, I sing some songs. See, then I feel like say even the songs that would have hold more in a history than what I say? See, but right now we need help more than ever, my brother. Even more than them time though when the eye them jump out so energetically. See, we need some help more than ever, I really like the eye them input. I hope so the eye them feel like so them compromise because of any mistake or a path of them might tread along the way due to certain seduction. See, no man them feel like it was a mistake, or even if it was a mistake, see, life still there, see it, and experience will teach for wisdom. See it, stay out of certain things and don't get connected to certain things. And even if you feel like, say, your character was compromised where you can't talk, so no, go so, see it, it's never too late to do the right thing, master. See, and we're going to close with that. Continue, share, like, and subscribe. See, and we are besieged the item for some more energy. The fight against ignorance. See, because that's the biggest thing we are keeping. You see, even after the item come, you see a baby bleaching going and them thing there. Look on there, even though I know them thing make the man them go a week and I ever still. But the fight never stop, Rasta. They couldn't never come to expect. When you go in a boxing match, you don't expect for just going to knock out the man and just walk out with the money. So you don't expect to get some bruise and see it. So one of the bruises them, the brother, bleaching and certain other little thing. Yeah, because even if that's said, Rasta, see, the bleaching and certain other little thing. It was a bruise and then to the them ego and confidence still. But no feel no way, man. Hardy Angel no give up, man. See it, we don't lose fight, man. See it. Yeah, man. See it, the race is not for the swift, but for the one that we can endure. See it? Rastafari. Continue to share, like, and subscribe. And I give thanks to the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty.